What them a go do ya now? NEWLINK and the attack now. Bring a old chain setter. NEWLINK.
Bless up my people. Big up on yourself, man. I don't know, so they attacking boss there and a NEWLINK from NEWLINK Production, and we say attack. Well, my viewers and subscribers, right about now, people, I'm going to talk about something really serious. Really serious, people, and it's no joke. You understand? Because right now, we are in a crisis in Jamaica right now. A very big crisis with this crime and violence thing, people. Where people's life has been taken away from them by the hands of the gun, you know what I mean, 90%, and maybe by the knife, 10% then. You understand, put it that way. But people, it's not a good look. Yesterday, Friday, the 22nd of January, into the new year 2021, Jamaica has recorded 81 murders. 81, the first 22 days of the new year. 13% jump to the corresponding period, the previous year 2020. Viewers and subscribers, honestly, it's not a good look, people. Just 22 days into the new year, and 81 people has been murdered in Jamaica. From the reports. You get me? Which you know, so you can have people who get slapped or who get dashed or with them now fine and then I get a report span. And it happen. It's not a good look, my people. We're in a crisis right now. See? And if it should continue this way, where the government just go sit, stand, come with them curfew, yeah, come with them zozo when they hear some people dead. See? Get police patrol when they hear some people dead. It not gonna make a difference. It never gonna change. Not until they come some boom and get something really serious. You know what I mean? Something really serious so they can put up. When they know say, you know, you find a man with such and such, you get some man who do some things, literally do some things, then at this side Africa the people. Because yo, it's set away. It's not a good look. Honestly, it's not a good look. And that's why I tell you, we are in a crisis. See? They have tried so much different type of resources, so much different type of methods in conquering this crime and violence thing. See? For many people, they will jump and they would say, yo, killing there everywhere, bad man there everywhere, gunman there everywhere you hear people dead. But you think about it. Put Jamaica on the world map. Jamaica is just a little dot like that. Just a little dot. Compared to even some countries close to it. Like I'll say the DR, Dominican Republic, to Cuba. You understand? Haiti and those countries are way bigger than us. But check the little dot that we got. And how much people, life has been taken away from them by guns. I'm not going to say, you know, because you know we do crime vlogs a lot of time, people. So, I'm not going to jump and I'm not going to say a lot of people life who taken away from them, a lot of people who get killed, you understand? Them and people who involved in things, them and people. Because you know, say, when a bad man get murdered, see, a gunman get murdered, it's still, I got put up in the statistics, say, you know, say, a bad man or this and that get murdered. It's still, I got recorded there, see? But the thing that really puzzled me, people, is to know how our country is so small and how we keep on getting these guns when they hear them come to boom and them bust something that I want and them find this and find that. You know what I mean? It's not a good look, man. And it is worrying a lot of people. It worry me. I mean on a daily basis, my family did the people, me did the two people, not because me not did the right thing, but I'm a place, I'm a yard, I'm a country, I can't dash it away. You know what I mean? It worry me a lot, plus my people them done there. My fans them done there, the viewers done there, the subscribers done there, the local ones done there, the elder them in the street done there, we see how the thing go. The man them not a leniency to nobody. You get me? It could have been the 9-month-old, the 6-month-old, the 3-month-old. It could have been the man who are 95 or 100. The man them not a heart. Them no response, people. You know, like them, that comes to boom and say, you know what, me I go for that man, them, me I go bust out him head, me I go slap him out. See? And when he comes to boom and he rally up the people and he look and he see the man, maybe the man sick upon him last days. In him head, him not think say, you know what, him dead already, him gone. Him still a go do it. That's the art. No, not art. Can't say art done. No art. Artless. See? So people, I talked the other day, you know, and this is not joke. We see where our government system has kept very quiet on this thing. Yeah, who did they pick side? Because even my comment section, I have seen when me comes about my list out and lash out and say, yo, Mr. Andrew need to come publicly and talk about this thing and the measurement them are going to take to adjust this thing and when all people life has been taken out in the country. And I have seen people jumping in the comment section and did they already to attack the attacking boss, which you can't attack me personally, you know that. I'm the attacking boss. But when me I say people, see, them so caught up in this thing where them are going to talk about them a show and them a power and them something there. But them now look and see how our country, where our country are going, the road of our country depend. See? But then quick to pick the side because of this politics thing and say, yo, Mr. Andrew good, Mr. Andrew can't do nothing. You mean say man can't do nothing. Them are the prime minister, them did they represent for UNO, for we. See? So you mean say he can't do nothing. If him can't do nothing, then he make effort to do something. Push out your all. Now keep quiet, so. When you live uptown in a big house in a gated community and you look at people them done the same at the garrison, they look at zinc fences them and their life being blown and taken away from them. When you cock up on your big old veranda and you poach up there, eat lobster tail, you understand, and I drink steam, eat steam fish and okra, your people them done there suffer with the little tin mackerel and the chicken back. Come on man, think about it man. I'm not a fool to these people. But they have to represent for my people and will tell us our country in a crisis and it's not a joke, it's a serious thing. This is not all about coming and do this vlog thing and expect so you go get this, you know what I mean? This is just reality we are talking about here, people. It's not joke thing, man. Just check this facts and the statistics, people. Just Thursday, them say one man comes to boom, get slapped when at St. Elizabeth. The end shop 30-year-old construction worker. You understand? The end shop, man just comes to boom, pounds up on him, boom, lick him out, gone. That's the thing I run, people. Man, they are foreign, them a come say, boom, and a pay off their money a yard and I call them shots and I call them hit per head and I be them something they are going. Boy, people, I can't tell you this. This is not joke, this is serious. And go deep down into topic, people. I even the other day I cover a story, right? I cover a story up St. Thomas there. See? And when I check the statistics and facts behind it, people, when you see a chef brother will get cut down and when information do come to NEWLINK, they must say NEWLINK and such go on and you know say it's a woman, the same woman when did it with and they with NEWLINK, you know say it come from NEWLINK because such man, woman have a man overseas and this man a chef you to deal with this man and thing NEWLINK and that go on NEWLINK and there's some things there. And you get what me I say, people? But in the end, man, as me I tell people, there's a lot of things go on where you may think say yo it happen from Yaad and then something there, but are the same people like we were there over so I call the shots and them and them there Yaad them people cause them now work worse than time like now. Them and them now work, no job, no did they want money. See? And the man say yo, me I give you 100 pack, you know. If you got deal with that, you know. As me I tell you, I say work people and who you get 100 pack and I say go run out man and go deal with them, go deal with people and go machine works. You understand? So I tell you a reality and a serious thing. But our government system right now, it a fail us. As some see people, I not think about right now say, yo, work and do. No, we are think about people life, man. Yeah? Why sense you can't, because you go work so and go make much money and come to the money and rob you and kill you and take it from you. So we have to fix this and then we can't think about the future with, you know what I mean, the work and the money. We need to fix this thing. So if you are going to provide the work then, because some man say, no people, me be honest, some man say they not gonna work and that's why them take up badness. But then comes a boom, they don't want to work for 10 grand, 9 grand. Because them say, yo, me I go work 1 week to get 10 grand or 9 grand. See, that can't buy me 1 clock. So when me comes to go in the street, go do certain things. Me can't buy 5 pair of clocks, reality. That's the truth. So all me can say people, you know look good. First 22 days, 81 murders recorded. People, you know easy. Peace, you know. Love, respect, be good, be great and be safe out there, viewers and subscribers. I don't know what they're attacking, boss. All my cancer people, be safe on the journey. But it's not an easy road here. Peace out. Attack.